Tell you what, if you have a teenage daughter, whenever she says she breaks down, you get a little nervous because there's a lot of creepy people out there, so you got to be careful. I think she's probably out of gas. The only gas I have right now is chainsaw gas, but that should be work enough. Let's see. There she is. Alright, hold up. Let me put some gas in it. Okay, let me put some gas in it. Try that. Hannah, front tank, right? Told me it ran out of gas, but it's starting, so who knows. Alright. Okay, and go right to the gas station. I'll get behind you, okay?
Wait.
I'm gonna follow you. Huh? The one Chevron right over there. You want me to drive it instead? Huh? I'll drive it. Come on, babe. Come on, let's get going. Just get behind me.
You have the key?
It's in the truck. And I'm gonna put some gas in this thing. Turn your headlights. There we go. She turned them on. She must have heard me. Alright, filled it up. Go back home. Thing runs great. This old truck probably needs to take the tank down. It's got 2 tanks in it. One of them needs work. Probably got some kind of dirt in it, swishing around. She probably keeps about 1/8 of a tank in it. Well, that was fun. All right. Oh man, I left my phone in the back. I was in a rush and all I had around the house was some chainsaw gas. That old truck will eat it up. I'm not really worried about it. Filled it up on top of it. Won't hurt a thing. Teenagers run out of gas. And I guess it's one of Dad's duties. Don't really expect any thanks, but it's okay. She's a good kid. Please like and subscribe if you can. I appreciate it. Thanks.